InstaCuppa electric kettle in premium quality design with 360-degree rotational base and a cool touch exterior. In V-spout with filter mesh for easy pouring and built-in cord storage. Powered in 1,850 watts. Convenient wide mouth opening in 304 stainless steel body. And can hold up to 2,000 milliliters of water with power indicator and stay warm function. Shuts off automatically, built with overheat and dry boil protection, and comes in double-walled modern design. Boil in less than 4 minutes. Grab yours now.